Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we've got some exciting updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Rocket. Although the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra won't be the first flagship phone with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it's expected to be one of the first with an overclocked chip. But how did it perform in recent benchmarks? Thinking face. This overclocked SoC didn't quite meet expectations. Nevertheless, Samsung has been opting for better-performing Snapdragon variants for a while now. Recently, TechnoInfo shared some benchmarking data for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. These tests, uploaded on December 30th, give us some insights. Even though it's unclear if a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy will be released for the S25 series, the smartphone tested had 12 GB of RAM. Unfortunately, it seems Samsung won't be offering a 16 GB RAM variant as usual. However, the good news is that 12 GB RAM will be standard for all Galaxy S25 variants, with an exclusive 16 GB RAM addition for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Party Popper. On Geekbench, the Galaxy S25 Ultra with the overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite scored 349 in single-core and 9,793 in multi-core tests. The overclocking boosted the 2-core cluster to 4.47 GHz, while the 6-core cluster remained at 3.53 GHz, chart increasing. Now, how does this compare to other premium phones? The Red Magic 10 Pro, with its active cooler, scores over 10,000 points in multi-core and about 3,300 in single-core. This shows that despite the overclocking, the Galaxy S25 Ultra scores were underwhelming. But remember, this is still an early benchmark run. Samsung might make final tweaks before the official launch. And while benchmarks are important, they're not everything. Battery life and overall user experience often take priority. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra expected to have a 5,000 mAh battery, optimizing its durability is likely Samsung's top priority. Battery. Moving on, we have a potentially life-saving feature to discuss. Samsung may finally add car crash detection to its flagships, starting with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Leaked firmware files suggest the inclusion of this feature using a composite sensor, similar to those in the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 5. Interestingly, this virtual composite sensor combines data from various physical sensors, like the accelerometer and gyroscope. This might explain why older models already have the necessary hardware for car crash detection, but lack the feature in software. Automobile. One of the biggest design changes we're expecting for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a move away from the angular design of past Samsung flagships. Leaked renders show a more rounded form, similar to the iPhone 16 and Pixel 9. The screen size might increase to 6.9 inches, matching the iPhone 16 Pro Max mobile phone. The S25 series is also rumored to feature Q2 magnetic wireless charging, offering faster wireless speeds and compatibility with MagSafe accessories. Plus, we might see an upgraded ultra-wide-angle lens, potentially jumping to 50 megapixels, and a variable telephoto lens with 4-5x and 6-7x optical zoom. Camera with flash. All Galaxy S25 devices are expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, regardless of the region, ensuring top-notch performance and energy efficiency. And we're also anticipating new AI capabilities with One UI 7. Glowing Star.